Hello, grade 4. How are you today? Now we take lesson 2 in chapter 6, generate equivalent fraction. We took last session the equivalent fraction and we said if I make times any number in the top, we should make it in the down. We should make times 2 over 2 or times 3 over 3 or times 4 over 4. And if I make divide any number in the top, we should do it in the bottom. Okay? Here we say how many 8s are in 3/4? How many 8s are in 3/4? It means 3/4 times what? It means 3/4 times what? Give me 8. 4 times what? Give me 8. 4 times what? Give me 8. 4 times 2. We should do 2 times 2 over 2. We should do times 2 over 2. 3 times 2 equal 6. Okay. Here for example, I have here model. A circle, we divide the circle into 2 parts equally, and here I divide the same circle into 4 parts equal 4 parts. Okay, here half equal how many quarter? Equal 2/4. Here how many parts of 2? 1. I colored 1 part of 2, it will be half. And here I have 4 parts, all parts I have it 4. And how many parts we color? 2. Here half equal 2/4. We do what? We do 1 over 2 times 2 over 2 give me 2/4. Okay? Here, if I divide the circle here into 2 parts, I have half. Okay? And here, how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. And I take 3. Here 2, it will be 6. 1, it will be 3. Here 2 times what? How many? 2 times what give me 6? 2 times 3. And here 1 times 3 equal 6. Okay? 1 times 3 equals 3. Okay? Here 3, 6, and here 1 half. Half equals 3, 6. We did what? 1 times 3 equal 3 over 6. Here, how many parts? 8 parts. 8 parts. 2, it will be 8. 2, it will be 8. Make times what? Yes, times 4. And we should do times 4 in the top. 1 times 4 equal 4 and 2 times 4 equal 8. Here we did 4 over times 4 over 4. Okay, why we make times 4 in the top and times 4 in the bottom? Because 4 over 4 give me 1 and and 1 times any number equals the same number. It will be 4 over 8. Here, how many parts? 10 parts. I divide it into 10 parts here. It will be half equal how many tenths? How many tenths? 2 times what equal 10? 2 times 5. We should do 1 times 5 equal tenths. 5 tenths. Here times 5 over 5 give me 5 over 10. Okay? So, half equal 2/4 equal 3 6 equal 4 eighths equal 5 tenths. 5 tenths. For example, I have a model. Complete the table below. Here I have a shape. How many parts equally? 3. 3 parts. I take 2/3. 2/3. Okay. And here how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2/3 equal how many? 6. 2/3 equal how many? 6. Here 3 times 3 it will be 6. We did what? Times 2. We should do times 2 in the top. 2 over 2. 2 over 2. it will be 2 times 2, 4, and 3 times 2, 6. Here, 2 over 2 give me 4 over 6. Here I have 3 parts. I have 3 parts here from 5. It will be 3/5. Okay, 3, 3 it will be 6, and 5 it will be 10. Here we make times 2 over 2. Okay, here how many third? 1/3. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 parts. 12 parts. I colored 4 parts. We make what? 1 times what give me 4? 1 times 4, and 3 times 4 give me 12. We make 4 over 4 equal 4 over 12. Okay, here 3/6. Write two equivalent fraction. 3/6 equal what? Times any number, but we should times up the same number up and down, the same number up and down. Here I did times 2. 3 times 2 equal 6, and 6 times 2 equal 12. And we make times 3, the original fraction. 3 times 3 equal 9, and 3 times 6 equal 18. Times any number you need. Okay, 3 over 10 we make times any number. 2 over 2, 3 over 3, 4 over 4. Here I do for easy number times 2, it will be 6, and 10 times 2 equal 20. 6 over 20, and times another any number up and down. 3 times 3 equal 9, and 10 times 3 equal 30. 2/5. 2/5 make choice any number to make it give me equivalent fraction. I do 4 times 2 up and down. 2 times 2 4, and 5 times 2 10. Here 6 over I make times 3 up and down. 2 times 3 6, and 5 times 3 15. Here tell whether the fractions are equivalent, right? Equal or not equal. 5/6 equal 10, 18. If I divide here, if I make here times 2, it will be 10, and 6 times 2 equal 12. Equal or not equal? Yes, not equal. Here 4 over 5. Here if I make times 2, 4 times what give me 8? 2 times 2 up times 2 down. 4 times 2 8, and 5 times 2 10. Equal or not equal? Yes, equal. Here 5ths and 4 tenths. Here times 1 times what give me 4? Yes, 1 times 4. 1 times 4 give me 4. Here it will be 4, and 5 times 4 give me 10. No, it's not equal. Here quarter and 2/8. 1 times 2 give me 2, and 4 times 2 give me 8. Yes, is equal. Here all of you open your book. Write two equivalent fraction. 2/3 times any number. 2 times 2 over 2. It will be 4 over 6. 4 times 3 over 3 give me 6 over 9. Half times 2 over 2. It will be 2 over 4. And times 3 over 3 give me 3 over 6. 4/5 times 2 give me 8 over 10, or times 3 12 over 15. Times any number up and down. Here write equal or not equal. Here quarter and 3 12. Equal or not equal. If I make times 3 up, Here it will be 3 over 12, yes, equal 4 fifths. 5 times what give me 10? 5 times 2. 4 times 2 give me 5? No. Give me 8. Yes, is not equal. Here 3 eighths equal to 6. 3 eighths equal to 6? No. And 3 quarter equals 6 eighths. Here 3 times what equals 6? 3 times 2. And 4 times 2 give me 8. Yes, equal. 5 6 equal 10 12. Yes, 5 times 2 give me 10 and 6 times 2 give me 12. Here 6 12 equal 5 eighths? No, it's very easy, not equal. 2 fifths equal 4 tenths. 2 times 2 4 and 5 times 2 10. Yes, equal. Here 2 quarter equals 3 12. No, we should make 2 times what equals 3? No. And 4 times 3 equals 12. 3 here is not equal. Here, if equal 2 over what give me 2 quarter, how many 12s? Here, if I make times 3 down, we should make times 3 in the top. Okay? Will be 6 over 12, not 3 over 12. Jan has a 12 milkshake. For here in the milkshake are vanilla 12 4. We divide milkshake into 4 parts. Okay, here 4 over 12. Okay, what's the two equivalent fraction? Here 4 over 12 equal what? Equal, if I make divide by 4 equal 1, divide by 4 equals 3. And here, if I make third times 2 over 2 give me 2 6. Okay, here Karim leaves 4 tenths of a mile for the mole. Okay, write two equivalent fraction. Here 4 tenths equal what? Make divide 2 over 2, it will be 2 fifths. If I make divide 2 over 2 give me 2 fifths, or make times 3 over 3, 4 over 3, 4, anything, divide or times. Okay, and 2 over fifths times 3 over 3 give me 6 over 15. Okay,